very timely itong si Maria. In fact, hindi po namin to sinadya dahil natatapos na nung kissing issue ni Pangulo at biglang the next day meron kami ganitong airport. Hindi po to sinasadya kasi for how many months na po matagal na po namin tinatrabaho to. But yun nga, again, about dun sa Magna Carta. And if you still remember, nung last na po ni Pangulo ay binabanggit na dito na gusto niyang i-localize ang Magna Carta down to barangay level. So nakita ko po na why not use short film? Why not use film industry? Since lahat po tayo lagi nakatutok sa TV, even now, I'm sure after this, lahat po manunood ko ano po ang efforts na gawin.
Dahil nandito po kayo para sumuporta sa Cine Maria Film Festival. When Asa Calushoz first came to our office to discuss her plan to use film as a tool to push forward and mainstream the issues of women, how can you say no to that? Alam naman natin ngayon na napakaraming at iba't ibang issues ang kinakaharap ng mga kababaihan. At para bigyang pagpapahalaga ang pelikula bilang medium para ipahatid ang mga mensahe, iba't ibang kwento, iba't ibang mukha ng mga kababaihan ngayon. Napakagandang halimbawa nito or napakagandang platform nito para mas lalo natin mapalawak at mapag-usapan ang mga issues.
Kahit anong plataforma, especially if it's cinema, since I am an actress, any way that women can get good representation, I will support. And that is why I am here today. And I'm very glad that DILG, in partnership with FDCP and all our other partners, we are all one. We are all united in that goal, in that mission, that vision, that women should be equal with men. Women deserve to be treated as equals. And in some ways, through cinema, not just some ways, in a lot of ways, we can educate our women in our barangays.